Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have more macrame plant hanger tutorial to share with you. In this video, I used cotton cord size 4mm and some basic knots like square knot, wrapped knot, lark's head knot, double half hitch. Let's get started. First step, we make a clasp. Use 4 cords 4.5 meters long. Fold them in half and then you put on the hook. Next, you take a cord 1.5 meters long and put on the center of the 4 cords. And then you tie the wrapped knot. Please note, you fold the cord so that the working end is longer than the other end. Wrap the working end around and around again until you have a piece about 10 to 12 centimeters. And you make sure it's snug. When you finished, you pass the end of the working end through the loop. Then you will pull the other end to pull it through. Next, you tie a square knot to connect the ends together. Second step, you use one ring about 4 to 6 centimeters in diameter, and then you will attach all the cords of the clasp to the ring by tying lark's head knots. Next, you use 8 cords 5.5 meters long. Fold them in half. After that, you attach them to the ring by tying the lark's head knots. Third step, you'll make 4 straps for the plant hanger. You tie double half hitch knots to create diamonds. Please note, when you tie double half hitch knots from right to left, the cords will be tied in the counterclockwise direction. And from left to right, the cords will be tied in the clockwise direction. You continue to tie when the strap will have about 15 diamonds. After that, you tie more a half of the diamond. And then you'll repeat the same process with the remaining straps. Next step, you'll make the body of the plant hanger. Use total 24 cords 1.8 meters long. You'll attach 6 cords for each strap. Firstly, you'll fold them in half and then attach them by tying lark's head knots. Each side of the strap, you add 3 cords. Do the same with the remaining straps. Next, you will tie the square knots to create the cover body part of the plant hanger. Do the same with the remaining parts. After that, you use 4 cords 1.6 meters long. Fold them in half. Then you tie the square knot to connect the sides together. You continue to tie more 4 rows of the square knot. Last step, you use 1 cord 1.2 meters long and tie the wrapped knot to fix the body. And then this is our result. This macrame is 110 centimeters long. It can hold many types of pots about 12 to 25 centimeters in diameter. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click to the like and subscribe button. That give me more motivations to make more new videos. Thank you so much.